Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do click that subscribe button and click the notification bell as well, so you will get updated if I will release a new video. I told you in my last vlog when we went to the grocery that we will be able to use our car for minimum 3 days. This is the video I'm talking about. If you haven't watched my last vlog, I will link the video here. We are almost here. So we're actually going to a very big shop. This is actually sponsored by Red Carpet Auto Central. They are located in Bulwa, and we are sending our car for what we call ceramic coating. Hello! So we just arrived in Red Carpet Auto Central, and we are sending our car right there, and they are pretty fast because we can pick it up tomorrow afternoon. So this is their place. They have a very big warehouse, location. Hi, from Red Carpet. Shop actually has a lot of high-end cars. Their services is a little bit high, but then you're paying for the quality, guys. You are paying for the quality. That is the most important. And most of their cars here are high-end cars, and they also accept not high-end, just like these cute little ones.